If you want to stop sharing a Lucidchart document, the process is quick and easy once you know where to look. In this video, I'll show you how to remove collaborators, disable link sharing, and make sure your document is no longer accessible to the people you don't want to share it with. This is especially useful if you shared the wrong file, finished collaborating, or just want to tighten up your document privacy. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, sign in to your Lucidchart account and open the document you no longer want to share. Make sure you're opening the correct file before changing anything, because once you adjust the sharing settings, the access list will update immediately. If you manage a lot of documents, take a second here to confirm that you're in the right one. Next, look to the upper right corner and click the Share button. This opens the sharing settings for the document and shows you exactly who currently has access. In the Share window, you'll be able to review everyone who can view, comment on, or edit the file. This is where you control who stays on the document and who gets removed. Now, if you want to stop a specific person from accessing the file, find their name in the access list. Once you see the collaborator you want to remove, click the Permission drop-down menu next to their name. From there, select Remove Access. If Lucidchart asks you to confirm the change, go ahead and approve it. After you do that, that person will no longer be able to open the document. If you are sharing the file with multiple collaborators, you can repeat that same process for each person you want to remove. This is a great way to clean up old access after a project wraps up or after a file has been shared with someone temporarily. Now let's handle the link sharing option, because even if you remove individual people, the document could still be available through a shared link. Inside the same share window, look for the link sharing section. Here, you can either turn link sharing off completely or change the access level to restricted. If you choose restricted, only people you explicitly invite will be able to open the document. If you turn it off, the link will no longer provide access at all. After making that change, save it if Lucidchart prompts you to do so. This step is really important because it helps make sure the document is actually private again. Once you've removed collaborators and disabled or restricted the link, it's a good idea to verify everything. Reopen the share window and check the access list one more time. Make sure the removed user no longer appears. Then confirm that the sharing link is disabled or limited to the correct permission level. This final check gives you peace of mind that the document is no longer being shared with the wrong people. And that's it. You've now learned how to stop sharing a Lucidchart document, remove access for specific collaborators, and secure the link sharing settings. If this video helped, be sure to give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.